Today, I'll show you how to make your Google Sheets data visually stand out with conditional formatting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. First, open Google Sheets and log into your Google account. Open the spreadsheet you want to work on or create a new one. Next, click on the Format tab at the top and select Conditional Formatting from the drop-down menu. A sidebar will appear on the right, and this is where we'll set the rules. Let's say you want to highlight numbers greater than 20. In the sidebar under Format Cells If, choose greater than, then enter 20 in the field. Now pick a formatting style, maybe a bright green fill or bold red text, so those cells really stand out. Once you're happy with the style, click Done, and just like that, your Google Sheet now highlights values above 20, making trends and important numbers easy to spot at a glance. You can experiment with different conditions and colors to suit your needs.